Hey guys, welcome back. Good evening, guys. With another set of 15 question, I am here with you. And as you have seen my yesterday's video, so there I have made some slight changes. So this time you will not be just getting 100 questions. So in addition to that, you will be getting 50 more questions in this set. So you will be getting the answer of all these 150 questions, 150 question after the last set of question, like after 150th question. So first of all, just pay attention over to these questions and make sure you are not going to miss this question. So 91st and 92nd question is on your screen. Okay, guys. So here 93rd and 94th question. So guys, as usual, I will be just providing 4 to 5 seconds. So guys, I'm repeating these sentence like I will be providing this much of in every video, because there are some new viewers who have just opened my today's video. So that they can be well versed with the concept. So that's why I'm just saying again and again. Okay, yeah, like I will be pausing the video, like you can pause the video and then take it down. So 95th question is on your screen. Ninety-sixth. Okay, 97th. Okay guys, so 101st question. So this is the last set of questions for today's video. So it's 101st question. And guys, if you found any difficulty in analyzing or reading the question over to this video, you can message me that. I will provide you clear explanation of that particular question. So it's 102. 103. An invention under the patent in India can be protected for a term of 50 years, 25 years, 20 years, 10 years. Okay. So 104th and 105th question is on your screen, guys. So that's all about my today's video. So, and if you guys have found any discrepancy in the answers provided by me, and whatever you have taken notes and whatever you have analyzed, so also please message me, or message me that I will look into that and provide an explanation if the question is right from my end, or it is wrong from mine. So that's all, guys. Take care. Bye bye.